you been nice to me this year?
No! You're no Hey guys, it's Naya and Ellie. Today we do Don't Choose the One Big Fanta.
Yes.
So we've already done the smaller Fanta challenge. Make sure you guys check out that video. We'll have a link on the screen so you can check that out. But now we're doing the giant Fantas.
Yes.
And doing this challenge, make sure you guys let us know what your favorite flavor of Fanta is. Ellie, what's your favorite Fanta flavor?
Pineapple and grape.
What's your favorite?
Blueberry and apple.
So as usual, guys, we're going to be doing rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to go first. Are you guys ready?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
Oh, it looks like Team Little Sister's going first. Team Little Sister went first in the last challenge. And before we start with this, make sure you guys check out our Christmas toy, which is at theanicorns.com, so you can get our animals mixed with unicorns in your Christmas stocking or under the tree this year. Make sure you collect them before they're all sold out. All right, so Ellie, choose your first number.
12 with no dot trade.
Oh, 12 with the dot of trade. First of all, let's find hers. Ellie has, we're starting out with a bang. Oh, here's 12. So Ellie has this
This is the only dot trade.
Ellie has this orange Fanta. Okay, so automatically Naya's gonna pick hers.
Number 5.
Let me see your thing. Your number?
5 is...
Okay, so number 5
If 5 is orange.
Here is number 5, yellow pineapple Fanta. Okay, so Ellie, because of her dot of trade, allows her to either keep hers or trade for Naya. So Ellie, go ahead and pour yours out. Let's see if you have glue or Fanta.
I can't open
You
it.
need some help? Okay, there you go. Let's see if she has glue or Fanta. Throw it all in the trash. Okay, what do you guys think she has? Ooh, it looks like, Ellie, you got yellow glue.
Oh, it smells like Fanta.
Okay, so now Naya, you're gonna pour in yours and see what you have. She's supposed to have orange Fanta. Does she have orange Fanta or glue?
It's glue.
It's glue?
Yes, I know.
Ellie, you still have glue. You have soda? Naya. So Naya also has glue, guys.
This is a really big Fanta.
Look at all those chickens.
It's really pretty. It's prettier than Ellie's.
All right, Ellie's gonna have a seat.
And I will stop bragging.
You're not.
Guys, in doing this challenge, you're gonna be voting for either Team Big Sister or Team Little Sister. Ellie is Team Little Sister, and Naya is Team Big Sister. You guys let us know whose team reigns supreme. Okay, so now it is Ellie's turn to pick again.
15.
15. Okay, let me see this. Oh, and Ellie, let's see. She also got another
It's soda.
pineapple Fanta. Do you guys think it is soda or is it glue? What do you think, Ellie?
Let's open it.
Do you think it's soda or glue?
Soda.
All right, guys in the audience and watching at home, what do you think it is? Is it glue or is it soda? Here you go. Let me crack it. And I've cracked all of them, so you're not going to hear any little fizzy sounds. Here you go. Are you excited to drink your soda if it's soda?
Oh man, she just drink all that soda. I get nutty. Hold on.
It's glue again!
Wait, it's glue?
It's glue again! So Ellie, you don't have any pineapple Fanta, you just have glue.
Who from Happy Days still got
You're so smart, mommy.
I tricked you guys. Naya, it is now your turn.
14.
All right?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so Naya has blue. You guys at home vote. Do you think she has glue or soda? You guys don't vote. Let's let the kids at home vote. Does Naya have Fanta or does she have soda? What do you have? Do you have soda or glue? Oh, looks like she has. Let's pour it out without our fingers touching it.
Oh, I'm so happy.
She has glue. Nobody has had soda yet. What's going on?
I think somebody dumped their head in your glue. Somebody dumped their head in your glue. This, yeah.
Okay. Ellie, pick your number.
I hope Ellie gets
I wonder who's going to win. Team Little Sister,
17.
Team Big Sister. 17. Okay. So it is now
This is soda.
Team Little Sister. It's
No,
green
this is
apple.
Oh.
Do you think Little Sister has glue or soda? Ellie, pour it out and let us know what you have.
I see already at the top thing. It's glue.
Is it? Glue again, guys. We're getting no soda today.
I almost dropped this. Why? Sad. I love soda.
So now it's Team Naya.
One. This is all I can.
Number 1. Let me see your number.
One is.
Okay. All right. So guys, here is Naya's. I'm gonna find out, does she have glue or Fanta? And do you guys like blueberry Fanta? Naya said it was one of her favorites. Let me see. Yep, it's already cracked. Oh, I hear a sound. Naya looks happy.
No.
Sit it on the side so
I
that.
was sitting
Have you been nice to me this year?
No! You mean I won't share this soda of mine?
All right.
One
Let's see.
share. Ellie won't get this.
Wait. No, this is dangerous. Because if we have soda spill, okay, that is not going to be a good look in here. All right, so Naya, you happy you have berry Fanta?
No,
Okay,
this is
are
not
you gonna-
diet drink.
Are you going to keep drinking till your heart gives out?
Yeah.
Now you only have to pour about half the Fanta in there, otherwise our bucket won't be big enough for it. Oh, look how it's foamy. Don't touch it. No touching in the bucket or you're eliminated. Guys, keep an eye on Naya.
I have foam bubbles.
You don't have any foam bubbles.
Stop
Naya
lying,
does.
Ellie. No, I'm talking about nice foam bubbles. What if I drop this?
This is edible.
11.
Number 11. Okay,
There's
so
no Dollar Tree. It's over there.
number 11. So here is purple Fanta.
It's glue. I never get luck.
Oh, she gets that pretty. How did you make that color?
She has the lavender glue.
Oh, is that
I'm never lucky these days.
Isn't it good to have more of the glue than
Yeah.
the
It's so pretty.
It's so ugly.
Fanta? Okay, so now it's Naya's turn.
Do not eat it.
Oh, she tried to cheat.
Oh. Every time I know that's a tray.
Okay, so Naya has this blue Fanta again.
What if it's
She
the
has
soda?
berry Fanta. So I'm gonna crack it for her and let's see what she got.
It's glue.
All right, there you go. The top is really off, so just give it a quick
glue.
twist.
It's ugly glue.
Be
There's no such
careful.
thing as. I'm very ugly.
All right, guys, what does she have? She has glue.
Why she gets like most of the blue?
I got all the blues.
And I
didn't
got,
get
like,
most
all
of
the
them. I got
yellows.
all of them. You didn't get all the yellow.
All right, so Ellie, are you ready for Ellie Corn's turn? Is Ellie Corn ready?
Yes.
She doesn't seem ready. She seems to be lost in
Mommy,
space.
I need a soda.
All right, so Ellie, pick your number.
16.
All right, let me take that from you. 16. Does she have green apple soda or green apple glue?
Ellie's so lucky. I'm so unlucky.
I never get soda.
All
these
right, the
days.
top is
soda.
completely off, so just pour it in.
I'm
It's
never.
not sober, Ellie. I'm kidding. I'm sorry.
I really
Ellie
don't.
got glue again.
It's not soda.
I'm not lucky these days.
Ellie's hating me.
Ellie is so mad right now, guys. Look at Ellie's face. She is just
Her
like,
slime's really pretty though.
Ellie's like, this is not a good look.
But what if I got all the sodas? Do you know what Ellie would do? She would lose it.
She would lose it. She would lose her mind.
Really?
Number 3. Okay, so Naya now has grape Fanta.
Oof, if she got this one.
Here
I
you
will
go.
lose it.
Ellie? Yeah. That is soda. Ellie, wouldn't you be like,
I was up to the floor. That's what I was.
how low can you go?
Hello,
Can you go?
This is going to be a huge slime. That's all I have to say.
Yeah. I have.
Team
I
Little
have
Sister,
soda.
it is your turn again.
If Ellie gets soda, how low can she go?
13.
Okay, let me see
I
this.
never have good luck.
13.
13
Okay,
is not.
strawberry Fanta. Who likes strawberry Fanta?
I don't like this day. I never get good luck.
Ellie, did you get soda or glue? Glue again!
I knew because it doesn't have like.
Wait,
it doesn't
blindfold.
have the same look. Yeah, we should do a blindfold slime
All right,
challenge.
here you go. I wonder what these colors are going to be. It's kind of hard to tell.
7.
Oh, dude!
My taste is bad. Can you give me a sip?
Guys, ignore all the crusty glue in my hand. So Naya has
Hello, can you get
grape
it?
Fanta.
I'm going to drink this sugar for something.
Really?
Ew, it tastes like Ellie's mouth. Ew, this is disgusting.
Ew.
It's like Ellie's
What does
mouth.
Ella's mouth taste like?
It tastes disgusting. Now I'm gonna see if it doesn't have Ellie's mouth taste.
All right, that's enough of that. That's
You
enough
sure
of
I
that.
want more?
No, because it's gonna be too much. Look how big the bucket is already. All right, Ellie, pick a number.
I feel really bad for Ellie. 5. 9.
Let me see it.
She got soda!
Okay, here is green
No,
apple
it could not
Fanta.
be soda. Now you never know. It can't be soda.
Oh, I heard a little fizzing.
You saw one of it is silver.
Yes!
Okay, go ahead, Ellie.
Can I give Di a sip? Thank you.
Because this looks really dangerous on every level. All right, pour only about half of that in there for
Ellie,
me.
pour all of it and don't listen to me. Please listen
I love how it bubbles up in the glue.
It looks like shaving cream kind of.
What?
What?
Really, Ellie?
That's
Okay,
not
Ellie,
what
can
it
we get on with the process?
No. Ellie says no.
All right, so we're going to go to Naya now because Ellie's taking forever.
Okay, guys, let's see what I got. My soda is my life. I'll never let go of it. I got 8.
Number 8.
Yeah, it has a dog tray.
Let me see.
Look,
All right, give me that number.
it has a dog tray.
It has no dotted
Yes,
tray.
it does.
So Naya has pineapple, and Ellie, you're going to finish pouring that in. Oh, I don't hear a sound. Let's see what Naya has.
I hope I
Ew, Ellie.
Ellie.
What's crazy is this is red and orange left.
It's soda!
All right, Ellie, it is now your turn.
I hope I get good luck again. 10 with no dollar trade.
10 with no dot of trade. She
Well,
has
she did have the
orange
dollar
Fanta. Do you like orange, Ellie? All right, here you go.
trade. It's my life.
Maybe you can drink some of that orange Fanta.
I can't. It's not real. So mommy, so yeah.
Oh, she got glue.
I think mine's gonna turn out brown.
You think it's gonna be brown?
It would be so great, guys, if we ended up with the 2 last sodas. Wouldn't that be great? Well, we both got the Fanta.
All right, so here you go, Naya.
If you got that red one. I know Ross will definitely get some.
Let me see your number.
6.
All right.
It's 6 is that?
6 is this. So, strawberry again. Let's open that up. Guys, does she have soda or does she have glue? She has glue.
Excuse me.
What was that? Now we're on to the last round. So in the last round, they each choose a number and then they do rock, paper, scissors to see if they want to trade or keep what their
This is
choice
both
is.
soda.
So Ellie, go ahead and just pick a number quickly. Oh, well, there's one that fell in there. So that's yours. Here you go. All right. Ellie?
4.
Ellie has 4. She has orange.
I have 2.
That means Naya has strawberry. Ellie wants strawberry. Naya wants orange. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's see who gets it.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
Okay.
Strawberry!
All right, so Ellie is taking the strawberry. All right, Ellie, pour it in. I think you got it. Okay, it just splashed all over and it went up Naya's nose and face. This is... All right, and I'm not even going to do a close-up on this because you guys can pretty much see what these look like from here. There's no real mystery.
Mom,
What the
tell me
mystery
when to
will be
stop.
is what it will look like.
Mom, when
when
do I stop?
I think this is going to need a lot.
A lot of acid. Is this
A
the
lot
biggest
of
slime we ever made?
It's going to be pretty big. All right, guys, start mixing. Let's see what you guys get.
This is a lot. This is so much.
Naya, yours almost looks black. I like black slime.
You
Not too many people get black slime. It's pretty cool. Okay, guys, these are our final slimes. It has taken forever. It was so much. I've had to do Borax. I've had to do Tide. I've had to do so many things. Gain. It just, let me see. Here's a little bit extra for you, Naya.
It's still not.
Naya's is because it has more Fanta. It's taken a long time to
Mine
set
is
up.
less Fanta.
Yeah, Ellie has less Fanta. So let's take a look, guys. Why don't you give us some stretching?
My slime is still a little bit watery. Fanta.
But Ellie's is ready to go because she has more glue in hers.
Yeah. Oh no, mine's getting yours. Ellie. She just did the purpose. I know she. I did it. Bubbles. Bubbles. How are you making bubbles on right now?
Woo! Look at Ellie's. Oh, hold on.
Mommy, your kids are making bigger bubbles. Yeah.
Yeah, my bubbles are terrible today.
Mommy, usually.
That's because Ellie's in my way. Oh, Ellie, watch your table, your table, your table.
This is insane. Mommy, this is insane.
Grab him. He's trying to eat the whole house. It's growing, guys. It's going to be filling this up in a second. It'll fall. Ellie, oh!
Ellie.
Ellie, quick.
Ellie's having
Grab it, Ellie. So Naya's is still very jelly. I think we're going to leave hers in because I think if it goes out, we're going to have a lot of problems.
Like,
oh! Hold on.
Mommy was just like, oh yeah. Nobody
Whoa!
Whoa, Mommy!
Whoa! Oh, look at Ellie's! Ha ha ha!
I popped it. I'm sorry.
Oh, you jealous?
No, I hated your bubble. It was ugly.
Oh, I popped yours with mine. Oh, I did 3 bubbles at once.
No, I did. No,
I did
didn't.
3, and then yours slammed on top of mine. Holes.
It's leaking on the end and no one's helping me. Naya did it!
Yeah.
Stop being silly!
You get it too, Ellie.
Yeah, Ellie's like, stop being silly. Well, she's just sitting there like, oh, you keep getting me in the bubbles.
All right. He's going straight in his bucket. Oh,